If you've been wondering how to use Zapier agents, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can create your own AI-powered agent inside Zapier, customize it for your workflow, and publish it when you're ready. This is a great way to automate tasks, save time, and build smarter systems for your business or content creation workflow. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier platform, look for the Agents section. This is where Zapier lets you create and manage AI agents that can help with different automated tasks. Go ahead and click on Agent to continue. Now you'll be taken to the Agents area where you can begin creating a new one. Click on New Agent to start building your first agent. Zapier will then take you into the setup flow. From here, click Continue to move forward. Now, you'll see the option to create your own agent from scratch or use a template. If you want full control, you can type your own setup and build everything manually. That's a great option if you already know exactly what you want your agent to do. But if you want to save time, you can also choose one of the templates on the left side. Templates are useful because they give you a ready-made starting point, which is especially helpful if this is your first time using Zapier agents. If you pick a template, click Use this template to load it. Zapier will then prepare the agent based on that template. After that, click Create to generate your agent. Once your agent has been created, you'll land on the settings or editing screen. This is where you can customize the agent to fit your needs. You can edit the instructions, adjust the behavior, and make sure it does exactly what you want. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the agent matches your goal. If needed, refine the wording so the responses and actions stay aligned with your workflow. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing makes your agent active and ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Zapier agents from start to finish. You went from opening Zapier, creating a new agent, choosing a template or building your own, editing the settings, and publishing it successfully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial.